Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a lemon icebox pie. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You will need two 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 8 egg yolks, 1 1/4 cups of fresh lemon juice, the zest of 2 lemons, 15 graham crackers, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whipped cream for your topping. In a food processor, combine the sugar, salt, and graham crackers. Now pour in the butter and mix until well combined. Place your mixture into the dish, then press evenly to form your pie crust. Using your stand mixer, combine the lemon juice and the condensed milk. Now add the egg yolks and lemon zest and continue to mix until well combined. Pour your filling into your previously formed pie crust, then transfer it to the preheated oven. To see how I make my whipped cream, check out my strawberry shortcake video by clicking on the iCard above. After 25 minutes, remove your pie from the oven and place it on a wire rack. After it has completely cooled, place it in the refrigerator overnight. Top with the whipped cream, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps making